Hi everyone, I'm Charlene from stampinwithcharlene.com and welcome to the latest episode of Stamping Schoolhouse. Today we are going to talk about the paper trimmer, the cutting blade, the scoring blade, and all the other features and benefits that you can get out of using the paper trimmer. It's important for every paper crafter to have a great paper trimmer. That's why I want to show you all of the features and benefits of the Stampin' Up! Paper trimmer. First of all, the base itself is 7 3/4 inches wide. So this is great if you're using a size, a 12 by 12 piece of cardstock, because it fits, the 6-inch mark is on the paper trimmer itself. And then the handle extends out, so the ruler is 17 inches. So you have a 17-inch range here that you can use for scoring or trimming. And this just stores right back in place like that. It also comes with a scoring blade, and if you want to learn all about scoring, check out my Stampin' Schoolhouse video that I have about scoring. And it also comes with a cutting blade. And the cutting blade is something, it comes with one, but you can also purchase replacement cutting blades. And I make sure that whenever I order supplies, I always put on a pack of replacement cutting blades so that I always have them on hand. This clear piece here, which easily comes up and folds back down to hold your cardstock in place, also has a ruler along the side of it. It's portable, it's lightweight, it's affordable, it's durable. It also has a hole here, so if you want, you can put like a ring hook and hang it up. It's very thin, so if you want to take it somewhere, it easily fits into a bag. So this is a fabulous item to keep in your paper crafting stash. It's also great for homeschoolers, any kind of crafting, any kind of paper that you need to cut. The Stampin' Up! Paper trimmer I highly recommend. It's my favorite one. And some paper, depending on how thick it is, I can double up and I can cut 2 pieces at the same time. I also want to tell you about the groove here, which is where the blade goes to cut the paper. It's indented, and sometimes you can tell it might fill up with some pieces of cardstock, some frayed edges. For that, I just take this nifty tool. This is my, this is called a take your pick tool. It has a point on the end, and whenever I get cardstock in there, I just clean it out by placing the take your pick tool in there, just running it along, and you can see here that all of the little paper fibers come right out, and it makes it nice and clean and ready to go. I hope you enjoyed today's episode of Stamping Schoolhouse. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the little bell icon so you can receive an alert whenever I upload a new video, so you won't miss out on any new information. Thanks for watching and have a great day.